My name is Matimba Manganyi and I was born and raised in Mabopane, Pretoria in the Gauteng province. I went to Letlotlo Primary School and then I did high school at Letlotlo Secondary School in Mabopane, and I did matric in the previous year 2022. I'm currently studying towards a BSc degree in Astronomy and AstroPhysics at Wits University that I've always wanted to do since I learned that Wits has a degree in astrophysics when I was in grade 11. I worked very hard to improve my marks so that I meet the minimum requirements for admission into this degree, and so that I can actually be accepted at Wits University to study this degree. I like reading books about physics and maths, and recently I've also been reading on psychology out of interest. I chose to study astrophysics because I love astrophysics very much, and I've always had an interest in astrophysics since I started high school. And I chose to study astrophysics because this degree includes modules like computing that I also enjoy, because I like learning how to use computers to solve problems that require mainly and complex calculations that would take people a lot of time to solve, but it only takes seconds for the computers to calculate the solution. I also chose to study astrophysics because I want to learn more about the universe, and I want to know more about the sun and the stars. I want to know about the process of nuclear fusion, the sun's core, that generates the sun's energy, and how did the sun and all other stars in the universe form, and how they are going to end their lives depending on their mass. I want to know more about galaxies, and I want to know more about galaxies and our Milky Way galaxy, as well as processes that may happen when the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy collide with each other in the distant future. I want to know more about planets around other stars, which we call extrasolar planets, and black holes as well, and how they came to be. I want to learn about how the universe became what we see today around us, all the atoms and molecules that exist today, how they formed, and I want to know how the universe was like in the past. One interesting fact is that the universe was much warmer at some point in time than it is right now. And how does gravity, which holds star systems and galaxies together, works? And I also want to know about the ultimate fate of the universe. I also enjoy the maths that we do very much, even though it is difficult at times, but I always try as hard as I can, as best as I can, to understand all the content that we are taught. And I also wish to do my own research in stellar astrophysics and other areas of astrophysics one day in the future.